The power bringing quality to the digital world. Modiso. With AI-driven, quality control becomes more accurate, less labor-intensive, and highly efficient. Easily manage documents with version control, permission-based access, smart search, and full audit transparency. Easily design, update, and manage inspection forms with version control, no technical skills required. You can manage, view, and create your forms within Quality Management, and freely customize them using the Report Designer. Instantly log, track, and close nonconformities with full accountability. You can customize forms, workflows, and permissions easily, with full scalability and multilingual support for any organization. Perform on-site inspections from mobile device with real-time data synced to a central dashboard. Get real-time dashboards and reports with visual data for fast, strategic decisions. You receive instant alerts, use internal messaging, and access full notification history. You can integrate with ERP systems like SAP, IFS, and Canvas for real-time sync, automated data entry, and faster decisions through centralized processes. For a tailored transformation, get in touch today. Let Modiso elevate your quality processes into the digital era with confidence and precision.